One of the big questions on energy traders' minds is whether or not we have seen a low in the oil markets. Let's go ahead and start by taking a look at the Brent Crude market. What we're going to do is we're going to draw some retracement extension lines. We're going to start on a daily chart here with these red/orange down arrows. We have identified some relative tops that are useful in identifying some downside targets. We can see when we do the first one, over the past couple of weeks we have hovered around this 89.32 area. We're below that by about 50 cents at the present time. I'm going to go ahead and draw another one here related to another relative range. When we do so, we can see that we apparently have some more room to move lower. I'm going to go ahead and give this a different color just to stand out a little bit. Using the extension, we can see we possibly can move lower to the 84 area or possibly as low as the 81 area. Again, that's on a daily chart. When we do the same thing here on a weekly chart, Brent Crude against the US dollar, see some interesting things taking place. When we draw these lines lower, again see this 89 area is key. Again, we target this 81 area down here. So potentially we have some more room to depreciate. Finally, when we do so in the monthly chart here, draw these key levels downward. We can again see that in October we tested that key level 89 and that 81 area pops up again. So we cannot yet declare a technical bottom in Brent Crude. Let's move over quickly to WTI West Texas Intermediate and figure out what's going on there. I'm going to do a very similar exercise with our red down arrows. When we focus on these ranges, interestingly, we can see, let's get that range perfect there. Interestingly, we can see that Friday's low coincided with one of our key extension retracement price objectives, right around 82.78. That was a very important move lower. We also want to look at this range here, snap these lines lower. When we do so, we'll go ahead and give that a different color. When we do so, we can see that this 76 area is a key downside area. Again, this is a daily chart. Moving over quickly to a weekly chart here in WTI against the US dollar. Going to go ahead and do much the same thing. When we do so, we see the 76 area as a downside target. And finally, using the WTI monthly chart, once we extend these lines lower, we can see that we reach a key area right at that same level, the 83 area where we were last week. So from a technical standpoint, we cannot yet declare a relative low in either Brent Crude or WTI. Let's keep our eyes on the energy markets and see how the oil markets trade in the upcoming sessions and weeks.